What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about running ads for your low content books and how I've just recently started doing this myself. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know exactly how I got my results with my low content book publishing business, then check out the link in the description down below to go to Printing Profits. In this course, I lay out everything that I've done to get my results. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So, running ads for your low content books over on Amazon. I haven't done this at all. Most or literally all of my sales are completely organic from Amazon search. So you don't actually need to run ads to make sales in this business model. Why am I running ads, or why have I started to do this personally? Well, I've been thinking recently, how can you scale a low content book publishing business? And there's only really two ways that you can do this. One, publish more books. Two, run ads to your previous bestsellers. So I decided to do both. Now, as you know, if you watch any of my other videos, I publish books pretty much every single day. But now I want to start to try to scale this business. I want to start running ads on some of my books. Now, this is a huge learning curve, so I've been putting in the hours learning as much as I can about running ads on Amazon. There's so much information out there and there's so many different strategies that you can actually try. Now I'm going to show you my results so far in a second from running ads. I've only been doing this for 2 days on a really small budget, but first I just wanted to show you this. Look, yesterday I sold 60 books. It looks like two separate people, purchased or bulk purchased 2 lots of my books, and I had some really good sales yesterday. But why am I showing you that? Well, it's because I want to show you or prove that you don't need to run ads to make those kind of sales. It happens organically, so you don't need to run ads. This is just something I'm personally going to be doing myself, and then the more I learn, the more I'm going to document on this channel, and then more than likely, if I get some really good results running ads for my books, then I'll make some modules for it and put it in the Printing Profits course, or make a completely separate course on how to run ads for your books, and then also give it away for free to the Printing Profit members, or something along those lines. I'm not too sure yet. That's further in the future, once I've actually started getting results and proven that it works. So let's head on over to my Amazon advertising account. So I've been running this for 2 days now, or one ad. I've recently just started up a couple more ads as well, some really small budgets, just getting used to this platform. I've run ads on Facebook before, but that is completely different to here, but at the same time not that different at all. If you know what I mean. You probably don't, but oh well. Anyway, as you can see, so far I've only spent 24 cents and I've made $16.18 in sales. Now this is sales, not royalties. So out of that, I've probably made just under $4, $3-4 profit from spending 24 cents. So that's really good so far. My ACOS is only at 1.483. It's actually a little bit lower than this once I dig into my actual campaigns. This is my ACOS for all the ads I'm running, and I've had 263 impressions. So if we go to ad metrics, we can see my cost per click is 4 cents. So it's costing me 4 cents to get a click on my ad. I've had 6 clicks, 2 orders, and a click-through rate of 2.2%. So my CTR is actually fairly good. I'm happy with that so far. That literally means out of every 100 people that sees my ad for my book, 2 people are clicking out of that 100. So let's just close that. Now if we scroll down, we can see just here, this is my best ad so far. This one's been running for a couple of days now, and I've spent 11 cents to get those 2 orders. Now up the top it said 24 cents, but 13 cents of that is on a different ad, and I haven't made any sales with that. But on this one, so that's 11 cents spent, I've made 2 orders. That's the equivalent of $16.18 in sales, and my ACOS is only 0.68. Now, these are some really good results so far, but nothing to be impressed about. Now, again, the more I learn about running ads on Amazon, then the more videos I'll make about it. I just wanted to make this short little video showing everyone how I'm doing so far with running my ads, and so far I'm quite happy with the results. Now bear in mind, again, I am running really low budgets on these ads just to test the waters before I start using bigger budgets, and again I want to get used to the platform. Now the whole point of running ads, or for me learning about ads, is so I can scale my publishing business. So the whole aim of it is to spend $1 and get $2 back. So you're getting your initial $1 and then an extra $1 on top of that. Once I've learned as much as I can and I'm getting some really good results, and then I'm upping my budgets, I'm quite happily, or I would quite happily spend $500 to make 1,000. Now, the only annoying thing is Amazon ads, or running ads, you're going to get billed monthly. So whatever you spend on ads, they're going to take it out of your bank every month. But your royalties, what you earn that month of running ads, you're not going to see that for 2 months. So that is quite annoying, and I've got to make sure I've got the money in the bank, or I've got that money to pay for the ads, because what I generate in profits or royalties, I'm not actually going to see that for 2 months. So that's the only annoying thing. But nonetheless, I think that running ads is going to be a good thing. It's an easier way to scale your business because you can control that traffic. Now, if you're excited about more videos about advertising on Amazon, then drop a comment saying excited, so I know that you're interested in this type of content. Now, the way I'm going around about running ads is I'm making sure I've got sales history on the books that I'm going to run ads for. So that literally means if I've sold numerous copies of a book, or I've got a good selling book, I'm going to start running ads on that because it's already proven to sell and you're going to get better results. If you try running ads on books that you have that have no sales, then your results won't be as good. If you're interested in knowing how I got my results with my book publishing business, then don't forget to check out the Printing Profits course. Remember, you can get there by going to printingprofits.com. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy. This has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.